Students, today we are going to discuss about the rules for naming compounds containing double and triple bond compound. That means today we are going to discuss about the IUPAC rules for unsaturated compounds. For unsaturated compound, the first one, select the longest chain. Select the longest chain of carbon atom involved in the multiple bond, that is double or triple bond. Second point, in the case of alkene, you have to use ENE as primary suffix. For a triple bonded compound, the primary suffix is YNE. Let us consider this compound. If you select the longest chain in this manner, then this chain consists of 5 carbon atoms. If you select the longest chain in this way, you will get another structure, another longest chain. That chain also consists 5 carbon atoms. But here the double bond is not included in the parent chain. Therefore, it is a wrong selection. But here the double bonded carbon atom are included in the parent chain. Therefore, this is the correct chain. So, from this it is clear that the longest chain means that chain must contain maximum number of carbon atom. Also, you have to consider the multiple bond. The multiple bond must present in the parent chain. The numbering the carbon atom in the chain is done in such a way that the carbon atom carrying the multiple bond gets lower number. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, double bond CH2. If you start numbering from left hand side, then the double bond is in between 4th and 5th carbon. If you start numbering from right hand side, then double bond is in between 1st and 2nd carbon. So this is the correct way of numbering. That means start from the right hand side. Then only the multiple bond gets lower number. Here the parent chain consists of 5 carbon atom. Therefore word root is pent. It is an alkene. Due to the presence of this double bond, primary suffix is ENE. Here we have to denote the position of double bond. Here the double bond is in between 1st and 2nd carbon. So give the lower number. Name of the compound is pent 1-ene, not pent 4-ene. For this compound, the parent chain consists of 4 carbon atom. Therefore word root but. Alkene, therefore ENE is the primary suffix. Double bond is in between 1st and 2nd carbon, so but 1-ene. Here two different substituents attached at different positions. Second position ethyl group and at third position methyl group. Here in the case of different substituents, we have to consider the alphabetic order. So name of the compound is 2-ethyl 3-methyl but 1-ene. So name of this compound is 2-ethyl 3-methyl but 1-ene. Next, rules for naming compounds containing a functional group. First rule, select the longest chain of carbon atoms containing functional group. Second rule, give lower number to the carbon atom which is carrying the functional group. Let's consider this compound. If you select the parent chain in this manner, then this chain contains 6 carbon atoms. But the functional group attached to this particular carbon which is not included in the parent chain. If you select the parent chain in this way, then the functional group attached to a carbon that is included in the parent chain. This functional group is a part of the parent chain. But this chain consists of only 5 carbon atoms. But this is the correct parent chain because the functional group attached to a carbon that is included in the parent chain. Whereas this chain contains maximum number of carbon atoms, but the functional group is not a part of the parent chain. Therefore, this is a wrong chain, wrong selection. This compound contains the functional group of ketone, C double bond O. First of all, select the longest chain. This chain contains 6 carbon atoms. Therefore, word root hex. Single bonded compound. Therefore, ANE is the primary suffix. Then Due to the presence of functional group ketone, here we have to apply the secondary suffix. Give lower number to the functional group C double bond O. So start numbering from right hand side. Then ketonic group C double bond O group is attached at the third carbon. So here we have to replace this E by O, ONE. ONE is used for the secondary suffix for ketone. Then we have to denote the position of the functional group. It is attached at the third carbon. So hexane 3 on. Then substituent methyl group attached at the fifth position. So name of the compound is 5-methyl hexane 3 on. Rules for naming compounds containing 2 or more functional groups. If an organic compound contains more than one functional group, only one functional group is considered as principal functional group. Others are considered as secondary functional groups. Therefore, the secondary suffix depends only on the main functional group. All other secondary functional groups are considered as just substituents or side chains. If an organic compound contains more than one functional group, then this priority order helps us to identify the principal functional group. Here the order: carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid, acid anhydride, esters, acid halides, amides, nitriles, CN group, then aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, amines, finally ethers. Consider this compound. This compound contains two functional groups. One is OH group, another one COH group. Let us consider the priority order. Here, carboxylic acid gets more priority than alcohol. Therefore, carboxylic acid is considered as the principal functional group, main functional group. Now, OH group acts as just substituent. Therefore, name of the compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atom present in the chain. Therefore, pent. In between carbon atom, only single bond, ANE. Then E is replaced by oic acid. Oic acid is the secondary suffix because of the functional group COOH. Now, OH is considered as a substituent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position, fourth carbon, OH is attached. Therefore, the name of the compound is 4-hydroxypentanoic acid. 4-hydroxypentanoic acid. This compound consists of 5 carbon atom, word root, pent, all are single bonded. Therefore, ANE is the primary suffix. E is replaced by oic acid because in this compound COH gets priority. Then OH now considered as a substituent which is attached at the fourth position. Therefore, name of the compound is 4-hydroxypentanoic acid. This compound consists of two functional groups, OH group and NH2. According to the priority order, OH is considered as the main functional group. Therefore, NH2 act as substituents. So, we have to start numbering from this carbon. Then, a total of 5 carbon atom present in the parent chain. Therefore, pent, word root pent. In between carbon atom single bond. Therefore, say primary suffix ANE, we have to replace E by OL. OH group is attached at the second carbon. Therefore, pentane 2-ol. Then here in fourth position NH2 group is there. So here we have to use amino for NH2 group. Now NH2 group become a part of the prefix, then the name changes to amino. So name of the compound is 4-amino-pentane 2-ol. Next, this compound consists of ketonic group C double bond O as a functional group. Then another one is OH group. Here ketonic group is considered as the principal functional group. Therefore, start numbering from left hand side. Then the functional group gets lower number. This compound consists of 4 carbon atom. Therefore, bute, word root bute. All are carbon-carbon single bond. ANE. E is replaced by ONE. Therefore, here we have to denote the position. C double bond attached at the second position. Therefore, bute 2 on. Now, OH is attached at the fourth carbon. This is considered as a substituent. Therefore, for OH group, The prefix name is hydroxy. Therefore, name of the compound is 4-hydroxybutene-2-on. Rules for naming alicyclic compounds. For alicyclic compounds, we have to use cyclo as a prefix for the organic compound. For example, this cyclic compound consists of 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, word root prop, single bonded saturated compound, propane, but this is a cyclic compound, closed structure. So here we have to use cyclo as prefix. So name of the compound is cyclopropane. Consider the second compound, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom present in the cyclic compound. Therefore word root but, saturated compound, primary suffix, therefore ane, cyclic compound, therefore use the prefix cyclo. For third compound, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 carbon atom present in the chain. It is an example of homocyclic compound. Therefore hex is the word root, ane, primary suffix, use the prefix cyclo for alicyclic compounds. Next class we will discuss about the rules related to aromatic compounds. Till then, take care. Bye.